how to rig a car in Blender using Rigacar add-on, step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rig a car in Blender using the Rigacar add-on. This method is fast, clean and perfect for car animation. Rigacar is a powerful Blender add-on designed especially for rigging vehicles. It allows you to create realistic suspension, steering and wheel rotation with minimal effort. Before using Rigacar, make sure your car model is clean, each wheel should be separate objects and all transform must be applied. At this stage, we go through all the parts that need to rotate and parent them to the car tire. And finally selecting the tire, parent all these parts to the tire by pressing the Ctrl and P keys on your keyboard. Don't forget to rename your separate parts exactly like this video. To make things easier, I've prepared a note file on the Telegram channel that lets you rename and organize the car parts just by copy-pasting without typing each time. Repeat these steps correctly for all the wheels and make sure everything is named properly. When the R4 wheels finished, let's do it steps for brakes. Okay guys, in this stage, select your other all parts and parent them to the body. Guys, don't forget, it's very important part. For rigging, you must have 9 parts. 1 body, 4 wheels and 4 brakes. Just this. After this step, select your car and press Shift A. In armature, select car. This point should be under your car. With Z-axis, move to under your car. After that, press N panel and select Rigacar and press generate. And boom, your car rigging is ready.